Okay everyone, today we are going to talk about adding and subtracting algebraic expressions. Previous video you can check what is the term of the algebraic expressions and like terms and combining algebraic expressions. Adding and subtracting expressions is very similar to combining expressions, such as that example. Let's see. First we need to check the like terms. As you see, 5x and 3x. So 7y, positive 7y, minus 2y, and there are two constant numbers. If we add two algebraic expression, we can directly remove this parentheses, ignore the parentheses, and we can combine the algebraic terms. So 5x plus 3x, so it makes 8x. 7y minus 2y, it makes plus 5y, positive 5y. 5 and 1 plus 5, a positive 1, together it makes positive 6. So 5x plus 7y plus 5, when you add it with 3x minus 2y plus 1, the result is 8x plus 5y plus 6. So when we add algebraic expressions, we combine the like terms, we directly ignore the parentheses. This is very important here. Let's see the second example. Again, there are two expressions, the first one and the second one. So directly you can ignore the parentheses because it's addition. So it's all second algebraic expression is a positive. You will see when we come to subtraction what is the difference. What will we do there? But let's continue now. Let's decide it first. Like terms. Okay, 7x square y, x square y. Where is the x square y? xy square, and here negative 4x square y. These are like terms. And 5xy square is positive 5xy square, and this is positive 5xy square. Okay, they are like terms, and two constant we have. Let's see, 7x square y. As you see, when the variable is same, we only do operation with coefficient. 7 minus 4 is 3, 3x square y. Okay, plus 5, and where is it? Plus 5 plus 10, 10xy square. 6 plus 1 is 7. Let's continue. Another example. Okay, let's decide the like terms first. It's addition again, don't forget. When it's come to subtraction, we will do one step more. 5a, oh, there is no 5a, there is no like term with the 5a. So let's see, 7b, yes, plus 7b, minus 6b is here like terms. There is a c, let me check the c. Let's use blue. Minus 5c, be careful here, and plus 2c. So these are the like terms. As you see, there is no like terms with 5a or 2d. They don't have any like terms on other expressions. So we will write 5a, no 5a, just write the same, 5a. Plus 7b minus 6b is 1b. So 1b, we don't write 1b. Why? Because 1 multiplied by any number, the numbers itself, we will 1 times b is b. So plus b, it's a positive b. Minus 5c plus 2c, negative 5c plus 2c is negative 3c. So minus 5 plus 2 is negative 3, and the variable is c. What did I forget here? So I wrote that one. I do the operation with the like terms, and 2d, I forget 2d, don't forget it, plus 2d. So this is the sum of these two expressions. Let's continue. There is another example. Okay, let's decide the like terms. Here 2x square and negative 3x square like terms. 4x and plus x plus 3 minus 3, these are the constant. 2x square minus 3x square, 2 minus 3 minus 1x square. So minus 1x square minus 1 time any number, it will be minus x squared. So minus x squared the result. Let's write it. 2x squared minus 3x squared negative 1x squared. So when it 1 the coefficient, we don't write it usually. 4x plus x is equal positive 5x. 3x minus x is 0. So you can write here as 0, but don't forget any number. That's a algebraic expression. So when we add 0, nothing changed. So the result must be minus x squared plus 5x. So 0 is gone. Why? 0 plus the expressions itself. 0 is not effect when it's come to addition or subtraction. Okay. Now we will talk about subtraction. We will see what is the difference between subtraction and addition. Let's see an example. Okay. On this example, as you see, first one expression, but this is negative. This negative is negative of all expression, negative of all expression. So what will we do? We will write first expression, first algebraic expression, same, plus 5. But we will distribute this minus. We will distribute this negative sign inside the parentheses. So minus, such as minus 1, you can say negative 1. Negative, opposite of 3x is minus 3x. Let's write with blue, continue with blue, is okay. Opposite of 3x, negative 3x. Opposite of minus 2 plus 2y. Opposite of plus 1 is minus 1. Here, it's one expression. Oh, I forget why here, sorry. Okay, it's one expression, so we can combine the like terms. Let's combine the like terms. 5x minus 3x, it makes 2x. 7y plus 2y, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9y. 5 minus 1 is plus 4. Don't forget, the signs are important on the algebraic expression and signs belongs to their terms. Let's see another example. Okay, 3x squared y, 5xy squared plus 12. There is no negative sign, so we can remove this parentheses. But here we have a negative sign, so we need to take opposite of the expressions, opposite of all terms. So opposite of 7 is minus 7xy squared. Opposite of plus 2 is minus 2x squared y. Opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. Let's decide the like terms. 3x squared y minus 2x squared y, first like term. And 5xy squared minus 7xy squared is the second like term. And plus 12 and plus 3, they are the constant. Let's combine them now. 3x squared y minus 7xy squared, no, sorry, red one and red one. 3 and minus 2. As you see, coefficient is, coefficient is 3, coefficient is negative 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Oh, sorry. 3 minus 2 is 1. And don't forget, 1 times x squared y. We don't write when it's come to coefficient 1. Usually 1 times x squared y. Because of that we don't write it. Then 5xy squared minus 7xy squared. 5 minus 7 minus 2xy squared. Don't forget that one. When we add or subtract, when we do addition or subtraction, we don't change anything on the variables. We don't change anything on the variables. We only change the coefficient. We combine them, so coefficient change. We cannot change the power of the variable. This is very important. When we come to multiplication and division, we can change the variable's power, or we can simplify the variable. But when it's come to addition and subtraction, we never change. We don't touch the variable. Okay, let's check that one. Write the first one, 2x squared minus 4x plus 2. So opposite of 3 is minus 3x squared. Opposite of minus 2 plus 2x. So opposite of plus 4 minus 4. So I change all the sign of the second algebraic expression. Let's combine them. 2x squared minus 3x squared minus x squared Minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2. As you see, plus 2 minus 4 is negative 2. We have to write negative 2. And the previous example, plus 12 plus 3, 15, we don't write 15, but we wrote plus 15 because when it's algebraic expressions, we need to take care about these signs, and the signs all time belong to their terms. And this is the last example. Don't forget some things here. You don't need to take care about some things here. First, when we do addition, it's direct. You can ignore the parentheses and you can combine the like terms. Second, we never change power of the variable or the variable itself. We only change the coefficient. When it's subtraction, all time opposite of the second algebraic terms. This means you need to change signs of all algebraic terms on the second algebraic terms, of course, not the first one. And when it's come to coefficient 1, we don't write it. Because, why we don't write it? 1x is equal 1 times x, x, or 1x square y, 1 times x square y, x square y. We don't write this coefficient as a 1. Don't forget. Thanks for listening. That's the end of the video. I hope it's helped you a bit.